go. Man, this thing is solid, dude. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Japan. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, Chris Evo. I've been talking to him this morning. I'm going to do a POV drive through the streets of Japan and this JDM Legend. Let's get started. Real quick, you guys are new to the channel. This is Chris's Evo 5. Beautiful car. It's got like the OEM Plus wheels. Nice aftermarket exhaust. Appreciate the support, Chris. You're rocking the Godzilla In A Tux sticker. Man, I love this car so much. If you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Evos, and the front end of these cars are like super aggressive. I think they look really good. It's been raining all day, so thankfully it stopped for a little bit. We got some blue skies here. We're gonna take the car out and have some fun. All right, here we go. One of the keys. Ooh, the AC's working. All right, we don't have the ETC card in, I got you. Nice carbon fiber shift knob here. As you can see, the gauges, oh man, this looks so silly. People are gonna be staring at me wondering what the heck I'm doing. So as you can see, the gauges here. Water temp, these things are awesome. It's got so many different settings. You can choose what you want. It's gonna be really cool when it's all done. At night, all this matches. Looks great. Roll these windows down. To the back windows as well. I'll turn this AC off. Oh man. Right out of the gate, this car is super, even though it is lower, it's on Tein Coilovers. He's adjusted the dampening for daily driving. It's still somewhat stiff, but it's a lot more comfortable than my car is. And the seats, these Evo 5 seats, they're nice and bolstered, not too crazy, like uncomfortable. I think you can make like a road trip in this and be okay. At the same time, they're enough security for when you're driving in the mountains and things. All right, so I'm gonna pick you guys up when we get off base. Oh, R33 GTSD. The 4-door, that was awesome. Hey, Steve! Steve! Yeah. What's up, bro? All right, so I don't know if the camera picked that up, if the GoPro turned on fast enough, but I saw Steve and his R33 GTR. That thing is so clean. You guys, new turbos installed. You guys remember him from the cruise? But sounds like he's got up and running again. It's nice to hear. You guys saw in the car for sale video, STIs are still there, Stage is still there, another STI over there is still there. Doesn't look like they've pushed anything out. But we're gonna go down. This is the main highway down here in Okinawa. This is called Route 58. All right, so we're gonna go up here down 58. Right now it's what is it? 1:15. So it's right in the middle of the day. A lot of traffic out tonight, or today. So maybe we'll see some cool cars. Sweet Delica right here. I'm gonna try to get down here to American Village. Yeah, you guys have seen it in all the videos. The big Ferris wheel. We do cars and coffee there. We do custom night there. It's a little big shopping area. All kinds of stuff to do. On 58, there's always speed traps, so we gotta slow down. Speed limit 60, so we're going 54 like an old person. One of these dealerships had a new Supra out here sitting the other day. We got some KFC if you guys like some fried chicken, some ramen joints. We got Indian food here, and then next to it is tacos and coffee. It's a weird. Hey, it's a Mark IV Supra. I know that guy. What's up, dude? Korean restaurant, and we got Kura Sushi and Hamazushi. We actually ate lunch at Hamazushi today. And I don't know if you can see, way over there is an RX-7. It's red. 3rd gen FD. It's apparently you can rent it, but it gets really expensive. I heard like almost $1,000 a day or something to rent, which seems crazy. Oh, let's see, Arthur 3 GTR. Oh, it's it's Curtis. He's actually in TLF with me. He's staying in the hotel lodging on base there. He's got it's funny, we have the same wheels, we have the same wing, we have the same exhaust, and the cars are both white. He just doesn't have the black hood. It's just funny because everybody's like, hey, I saw your car. I'm like, that wasn't me, the car's gone. Over here in Japan, the right lane is the fast lane, right? Because you gotta think we're driving the opposite side of the road. So you would think the right lane would be all the faster trucks and cars. Nope, we're stuck behind a semi-truck. So we're gonna pass him in a second once this blue car gets around us. I'd like to get in some boost with this, show you guys what it sounds like. It makes some awesome sounds. I know the audio on this GoPro is enough to really pick it up, but it does make some awesome noises. You see the roads are still wet, so we're trying to be careful. Oh, Celica GT4. We got some really good ramen down there. If you guys haven't had ramen out here in Okinawa, I know it's not just soup, man. It is fantastic. It's so good. We were supposed to stay in the hotel right here on the corner, but we had to stay on base. It would have been a lot more fun to stay down here in American Village and have access to all this stuff. You guys probably would have saw a lot more content. It was just hard with doing all the out processing and shipping the car and then the hotel. And I didn't tell you guys, but one of our cats unexpectedly died yesterday. Really crazy stuff. It happened, like she was fine Tuesday, and then by Thursday evening she was dead. Unfortunately passed away. She was very sick, but we didn't know until it was way too late. So thanks for all the condolences on Facebook. I know a lot of you guys that subscribe, you know, are friends on Facebook with me, so I really appreciate you guys reaching out. Oh, another Evo 5. Sorry. Really appreciate you guys reaching out and, you know, giving your condolences and stuff. That was really awesome. But another Evo 5 down there. Oh, I should have went that way. Out of my way, Toyota Pixus. So this is Volcano Ramen. I love it out here. A lot of people give me crap for liking it. I love Volcano Ramen. I think it tastes good. I mean, it's affordable, it's easy, it's fast. I'm telling you, it's delicious. I don't know what they're talking about. But everybody has their own like place they like to go. Let me go this way so I can catch that Evo 5. Yep. Sorry, Chris. So I saw the Evo 5. He's right behind this black car behind me. That was pretty cool how that worked out. Good car, bro. You got the gold Advans on here. Chris, it looks just like yours. That's what your car would look like if you had gold Advans. Thank him for letting me in. Thank anywhere or parking anywhere lights. Oh shoot! So this road has some curves. You can have a little bit of fun. Nothing crazy, but family marts on every corner. I'm gonna miss these so much. Woo! Man, this thing is fun to drive. It feels way different than my car. Like the way it accelerates, the way the boost hits, it's super smooth, and it's like that power is there instantly. Mitsubishi did a great job in designing this whole car to have minimal spool time and full boost with no effort. Whoa, Chris, this thing handles awesome. Wow, this thing handles so good, Chris. Oh man, it'd be nice to live out here. It's pretty cool. And right up here is I believe it's coming up here. It's a park with an awesome view of American Village and the sunset. Like we filmed the video of Amber's car up there, and I featured her really nice GC8. dust is ruining everything. All right, so yeah, here's the park I was talking about. And they have a really awesome parking spot, and you can see everything. Yeah, this road would be a blast, like during the zombie apocalypse with no other cars. But yeah, you can see the view. This is absolutely stunning. You can come park your car here. I've had lunch overlooking the water, American Village, and all that good stuff. It's awesome. Really cool stuff. There's that view I was talking about. See how gorgeous that is? Oh man, try to get up a little closer. Look at that. Stunning. This is what I saw every day on the way home, right here. Oh, wow, I love this place so much. The water, the hills, the mountains, whatever you want to call them. Beautiful. It feels so good outside. It's a whopping 73 degrees right now on November 19th. It is a really nice day out. And then nothing could be better than driving the Evo. Like just stole it. So I'm gonna do a tunnel pull here. Tunnel pull. Here we go. Up immediately. That was awesome. So much fun to drive this car out here. Here we go. Man, this thing is solid, dude. I'm not lying, Chris. This thing is solid. I can't wait. He's got big plans for this. He's gonna build it, like fully build it, and try to get some really solid power out of it. I mean, this thing, if you could get close to 400 wheel in this, 400 wheel horsepower would be plenty. That'd be a freaking quick car, because it doesn't weigh much. It's a lot lighter than my car. You can feel it in the way it handles, how much lighter and more nimble this car is. I mean, it sticks to the ground, but it's effortless to pull this thing around corners, and it's quite impressive. Oh man! All right, we're recording. Yep. All right, let's see if I can get next to this guy. Yo, that thing is so clean. I want to get a side profile of this car. Oh, look at those wheels. Oh, the wheels look so good. I love the Work CR Kais with the copper lip, staggered setup. That looks fantastic. Those look like the two-piece, the CR Kai 2Ps. Really, really good looking wheel. I hope you guys can see. Oh man, that is beautiful. With the white, that really pops, man. That's a great color combination. I was hoping to stop and talk to him. Oh yeah. Oh, the 1J. The 1JZ sounds so good. Man, this is a nice little surprise. I did not expect to run into this super clean car. That's awesome, man. Oh. All right, guys. That's gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not gonna lie, man. That was a blast. I've just been driving this car like a regular car, trying to, save gas and just putt around base and things, get things done. But actually be able to get there and stretch the legs of the Evo 5 was awesome. We saw some really cool cars. Talked to a Japanese guy. I have to check the footage. Japanese guy stopped me at the stoplight. I was like, hey, what's on your forehead? And I told him it was a GoPro, and he was like, he laughed, and I was like, yeah, do I look silly? He was like, yeah, you do. So I don't know if they made it into the footage. If it does, I'll include it because I thought it was funny. But thanks for watching. It's a hard video for me to make. It's my last full night in Japan. I will be leaving tomorrow morning. I'm not excited. I'm sad. I'm gonna miss putting the content out for you guys, and I hope you guys continue to watch. There's so much more to come. Like, comment, and as always, see you next time.